Let's set up the Philips Hue light strips right after we unbox it. So almost everyone by now should have a smartphone and a smart home device. Whether that's an iPhone, Android, Amazon Echo or Echoes, Google Homes, Apple HomePods, the list just goes on. The good thing is that with all those smart features, we can now take advantage and start implementing your first smart home. It's like having the power in the palm of your hands. Hello everyone, my name is John Park with Sold by Tech and SoldByTech.com. If you like videos like this and if you want to see more, consider subscribing and don't forget to like the video as well. I do have a special request for you at the end of the video, so please comment your thoughts and let me know what you want to see me do in the future videos. Okay, before we get started, in order to install Philips Hue lights and accessories, you need to have a Philips Hue bridge. This is what actually communicates with your lights and accessories. You only need one because one bridge actually supports up to 50 devices. That's unless you need more. You could go out there and buy the bridge separately, but another alternative option would be to buy one of these starter kits. So this starter kit actually has 3 light bulbs and the bridge itself, so it's sort of being sold as a bundle. If you're in the market and into buying lights in the future anyway, then I would definitely highly recommend buying the bundle package. So they have the color one and they actually have the generic white ambience lights as well. I will leave links in the description below. So inside the box we have 3 things. We have the light strips, power cord, and the power adapter. Now you have to decide where you're going to place the strips. In my case, I'll be placing it behind my TV stand. The reason why it is my TV stand and not my TV, I do not want the light strips to be visible from any of the sides. So now I will lay out the strips and visualize the placement. Then I will start from the middle and work one side at a time. The reason why I'm peeling the tape as I go is I don't want to risk dust attaching on the double-sided tape area as it may not stick or eventually fall off in the future. Now we will attach the strip cord to the adapter and then to the power outlet. Plug it in and you're all set. Now we need to link the lights to the Philips Hue bridge. Open the Philips Hue app on your phone. If you don't have it, simply go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Philips Hue. In the app, you will click Settings, then click on Light Setup. Then you want to click the plus sign with a circle on the bottom right. Wait a couple seconds for it to search your lights. Once you see it, and that's it. I now have the power in the palm of my hand. And that was the easy setups for the Philips Hue light strips. So my question goes out to you. What video do you want to see next? How to use your smart home device with your Philips Hue? What smart home device should I buy right now? Or any videos that you would want to see from me? Let me know in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.